Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
The short story, Blind Dog, R.K. Narayan's short story, The Blind Dog, was first published in 1947. It was later included in his short story collection, Malgudi Days, which was published in 1949. The story is set in the fictional town of Malgudi and explores themes of bondage, exploitation, freedom, and fate through the relationship between a blind beggar and a dog. Introduction. The dog's life. The story revolves around a stray dog that wanders around the market road in Malgudi. It survives by scavenging for food and occasionally receiving scraps from kind-hearted people. The blind beggar and the dog. One day, the blind beggar notices the dog and decides to use it as a guide. He ties a string around the dog's neck and makes it lead him through the town as he begs. The dog, initially free, is now forced into servitude. The dog's suffering and exploitation. The beggar mistreats the dog, giving it very little food and frequently beating it when it refuses to move. The dog, though unhappy, learns to obey and becomes an essential part of the beggar's daily life. The townspeople feel pity for the dog, but they do nothing to help. The dog's freedom. One day, a kind-hearted stranger sees the dog being beaten and cuts the string, setting it free. The dog runs away, finally tasting freedom again. The twist. Fate and bondage. Despite being free, the dog returns to the blind beggar on its own. The beggar, unaware that the dog has returned willingly, ties the string again and resumes his routine. The story ends with the dog's inescapable fate, suggesting that bondage, whether forced or chosen, is part of life. Themes. Freedom versus bondage. The dog represents both physical and emotional slavery. Even when freed, the dog chooses to return, highlighting the inescapability of fate, exploitation and power dynamics. The blind beggar uses the dog for personal gain, just as powerful people exploit the weak in society. The townspeople see the injustice but do nothing, reflecting social apathy. Fate and destiny. The dog's return suggests that some beings are destined for suffering. The string symbolizes both physical restraint and an emotional attachment. Symbolism. The dog represents the oppressed and the powerless. The string symbolizes control, oppression, and an inability to escape fate. The blind beggar represents those who exploit the weak but are also dependent on them. Conclusion. R.K. Narayan's The Blind Dog is a simple yet profound story that explores bondage, fate, and the power struggle between the weak and the strong. The tragic ending forces readers to question whether true freedom exists or if some beings are forever trapped by their circumstances.
Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.